What's going on, guys? It's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another one arm tutorial for you, and that is how I tie my shoes with one arm. It took me a while to learn how to tie my shoes with one arm, and if you've read anything I've put on social media like my Instagram or my Facebook account, I have written about how when I first went to OT, occupational therapy, they tried a myriad of ways. They told me that I could tie my shoes, but it didn't look the same. So it was like all these one loop methods, and they gave me different tools to learn how to tie my shoes. And the idea of having to carry a tool around just to tie my shoes just didn't interest me. So I took it upon myself to learn, and this is my method of how I lace my shoes with one hand. So I hope it helps you, and if it does, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. You're gonna start out with your laces just laying on either side. So you grab one of them and tuck it under, pull it over and tuck it right there on the left, under the left side of your shoe. And you just do that so you can pull it tight with the other side and kind of use it as a leverage point. Okay, so once it's tucked, you're gonna make your bunny ear with your right lace. And once you have that pinched in between your thumb and your index finger, you grab the other lace with your middle finger and loop it around that bunny ear that you just made and push it through. And then get leverage on this bunny ear that you made first so you can pull it tight and finish your tie. So if you wanted to do a double knot, you just grab one of the laces and loop it around the other one, same thing, and push it through. And you have your double knot. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a different technique on my right shoe. I think this is called something like the Elon knot, but same thing to start out. Just make your little crisscross, tuck it under and pull it through. And then this one's a little bit different. You're gonna start with the left lace, make a kind of a D shape with it. And so the loose end of the lace is underneath the loop. And just laying out on the side. And then this one, same thing, but you're gonna have the lace going over top instead of underneath. It goes over top. So once you have them set kind of like that, you're gonna take the top knot and push it through the first loop, and then you're gonna take the other side and pull it through. This is so hard to explain, and then this one's a little bit harder to get snug, which is why I use the other method more. Kind of have to just pull the loose ends and get it nice and snug. And then I usually just use that same method that I showed you earlier for the double knot. And you're all done. So that is how I lace my shoes with one arm. I hope this video helped some of you out there watching. If it did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.